All right, let's pull back the curtain on one of the most amazing factories in the entire universe. And guess what? It's running inside every single one of your cells, right now. We're talking about protein synthesis, the incredible process that turns your genetic code into, well, into you.
So just think about that for a second. Your DNA is the master blueprint for everything you are. But a blueprint is just information, right? It's static. So how in the world does your body take that plan and turn it into a living, thinking, moving person? That's the big mystery we're going to solve today. To get our heads around this, we first need to understand the goal of the whole operation. And it helps to think of each of your cells as this tiny, super busy factory, and the main product coming off its assembly line, proteins.
Now, when you hear protein, you might think of building muscle, but oh, they do so much more. They are the absolute workhorses of your body. They give you structure, your bones, your hair. They act as enzymes, making all the chemical reactions in your body happen. They're little delivery trucks moving stuff around, and they're messengers sending critical signals. Basically, they do everything.
Okay, so if our cellular factory has to make thousands of different kinds of proteins, it needs a perfect set of instructions for each one. You can't just wing it, right? So that brings us to the next step. We have to crack the genetic code. The genetic code is literally the language of life. It's the set of rules that lets the factory machinery read a copy of the DNA blueprint, a little molecule called messenger RNA, and understand exactly what it's supposed to build.
And just like any language, this one is made up of words. We call these words codons. And it's beautifully simple. Each codon is just a 3-letter sequence. The factory reads these 3-letter words one at a time to know which part, which amino acid, to grab and add to the chain next.
And here's a peek at the dictionary. Check it out. The codon AUG always means start building right here. Other codons, like UAC or GCA, each call for a specific part. And just as important, you've got codons like UAA that are basically a big red sign that says, stop, we're done.
So, we have our blueprint. We understand the language it's written in. Now, it's time to head down to the factory floor and meet the crew, the actual workers and machinery that make this all happen. Okay, so there are 2 main players you gotta know. First, the ribosome. This is the factory machine itself. It's the whole assembly site where the protein gets built. Then you have tRNA. Think of these guys as a massive fleet of little delivery trucks. Each truck is specialized to read just one codon and deliver the one specific amino acid that it calls for.
All right, this is it, the moment we've been waiting for. We've got the plans, we've met the crew. Now let's watch the assembly line in action. The whole process is called translation, and it happens in 3 basic steps.
So those 3 phases are initiation, which is just getting the whole thing started, then elongation, that's the main event where the chain is actually built, and finally termination, where the factory shuts down and kicks out the finished product. Let's walk through it.
First up, initiation. The ribosome, our factory machine, grabs onto the mRNA blueprint. It slides along until it finds that special 3-letter start codon. As soon as it finds it, it clamps down and boom, the assembly line is officially open for business.
And now we hit the main phase, elongation. The ribosome starts chugging down the mRNA blueprint, just moving along, reading each 3-letter codon as it goes, one after another, after another.
As the ribosome reads a codon, the exact right tRNA delivery truck shows up carrying the matching amino acid. It knows it's the right one because it has a little molecular key that perfectly fits the codon's lock. It's an incredibly precise delivery system.
And here is where the real building happens. With the right part delivered, the ribosome performs its most important job. It links that new amino acid onto the growing chain. Then it moves to the next codon, a new truck comes in, and it adds another piece. It's like snapping together Legos one by one.
This process of adding more and more amino acids just keeps going until the ribosome hits one of those special stop codons in the blueprint. That's the signal. The instructions are over. The protein is finished.
The second it reads that stop codon, the whole assembly line just halts. The machinery lets go of the blueprint, and most importantly, it releases the brand new protein chain. That chain then folds up into a complex 3D shape, ready to go do its job in the cell.
So let's just take a step back and appreciate what's happening here. This isn't just some random chemical process. This is a microscopic factory of unbelievable speed and precision, turning digital information into physical reality.
And how fast are we talking?
Get this,
A single ribosome can take a blueprint for a typical protein that's about 400 amino acids long and build the whole thing in about 20 seconds. Just 20 seconds to manufacture a complex molecular machine from scratch. And that really brings it all home. This whole process, this microscopic assembly line, is running trillions of times every single second inside your body. Right now, as you're listening to this is it. This is the process that turns that genetic plan into the living, breathing reality of you.
It's an absolute masterpiece of precision. But it does make you wonder, doesn't it? With trillions of copies being made, what happens when there's a mistake? A little typo in the blueprint? Well, that's a whole other fascinating story.